Hello and welcome to my channel. And today is Frightful Friday. These will be my horror themed videos that I'll post on a Friday, and the first one is the start of a brand new series on my channel, Horror on Netflix UK Reviews, and we'll start with Jigsaw from 2017. Jigsaw stars Matt Passmore, Tobin Bell and Callum Keith Rennie, and is directed by the Spierig brothers. The plot in one paragraph. 10 years after the death of the Jigsaw killer, it appears that Jigsaw's games have started again. Now, here are my ratings. Ratings out of 10. Fear. How scary was it? I've given it, for Fear, a 3. It's not really scary in the traditional sense of scary. There are a few tense moments, but that's really about it. What it really excels at is the second of the ratings, which is gore. How gory was it? And I've given it 8 out of 10, which is typical for a Saw type movie. Lots of blood, lots of gore, mangled bodies and all that jazz. The third criteria, story. How good was the story? Now this has no reflection on the first two, and the first two have no reflection on it. The story itself of the supposed return of Jigsaw is it's a pretty good story. The characters are quite well fleshed out, and it kept me entertained anyway, and I gave it a 6 out of 10. And the final criteria, enjoyability. How much did I like the film? Now, I really did like the film. It's a good bit of horror nonsense. It's not very taxing. You can just sit back and watch it. It's not too over the top, except with really the final kill. And I give it a 7 out of 10. The average of all scores is 6 out of 10. And that's my review of Jigsaw. If you have any opinions on the film, please leave them in the comments down below, as well as liking, sharing and subscribing. And I will see you in the next one.